Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the matrix. So let's start. Suppose I am taking a matrix. Matrix equals to, always remember, it is a 2D array or you can say a 2D list. Okay. So how to write a matrix? See this. Now what I will do, in matrix, I will create a list. How to create a list? Within a bracket. Suppose I am taking 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then again a list. 2D. Again remember it. 2D. 2D array or list. This you have to remember. So again I am taking a list. See, both the list are there. Okay. This is the form to write a matrix. See it very carefully. Row, column, you all know it. You all know it. This is the row. Row. You all know this. Okay. Now I will print matrix. Print matrix. What I will do? 0th column, 0th row. Okay. Okay. I want to print this. Okay. So what it will do, it will always take the index number. This is the 0th index, 1 is the 0th index, 2 is the first index and 3 is the second index. So what will be the output? The output will be 3. So let's check the output. Oh, see, I made a mistake. See, I made a mistake. That will also help you. My mistake will also help you. See, I have taken 3, but the index is up to 2. So I have to write here 2, not 3. See, my mistake will also help you. You will not create this mistake. See, this always starts with a 0th index. Okay. So now the output will be 3. See, the output is 3. Okay. Is it clear to you? Now, suppose you want to change the value. Suppose you want to, in place of 3, you want there 10. The output is coming 3. Suppose in case of 3, you want the value to be 10. That also you can do. You have to do matrix. Just write this matrix. Simple, just matrix. What I am changing, 0, 2. See, okay. I will change this value. I will change this value to, suppose I want to change this value to 5. 6, okay, 6. I want to change this value to 6. So, see, the output is also 6. The value has been changed. In place of 3, it's 6. So, we can change the value. I have shown you how to change the value. Okay. Now, suppose you want to run the whole matrix. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Want to run? I will show you in the form of a nested loop. For loop. In form of a nested for loop. So, let's do. Suppose I am taking a row. You all know row, column. In matrix, you all know in mathematics, we already learned about row and column. Row, for row in matrix. Okay. For row in matrix. Okay. Now, for column in row. Why row? Because now it will check the second row. Okay. See, firstly, it's checking the row in matrix. Okay. Then column in row. See, when it is coming to the next row, column in row, the next row's value will again be stored there. Then just print column. Okay. Just print column. Now let's see the output. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Is it clear? I have shown you how to do in a nested for loop, nested for loop. Okay. I think you have now understood how to write a matrix, how to create a matrix, how to write it, how to display the matrix, how to change the value of a matrix. So by this, we end this video. If you have any queries, just comment. I will reply. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.